Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Al Hassan Vlogs. Dear student, today we will discuss about the structure of nephron. Let's start. The basic functional unit of kidneys is called a nephron. The word nephron is derived from a Greek word nephros, which means kidney. There are over 1 million nephrons in each kidney, performing many important functions like blood pressure regulation, removal of waste, and maintenance of pH. Nephron is a microscopic structure present inside the kidney. Kidneys has two main regions, outer cortex and the inner medulla. When we see at the nephron, half of the portion of nephron is placed in cortex region and the other half is placed in the medulla region. Now we will go through the structure of the nephron. Nephron has two parts, renal corpuscle and renal tubule. Renal corpuscle is not tubular. रेनल कार्पसल के अंदर कोई भी ट्यूब नहीं होती एंड इट हैज टू मेन पार्ट्स, ग्लोमेरुलस एंड बुमन्स कैप्सूल. ग्लोमेरुलस इज ड्राइव्ड फ्रॉम अ लैटिन वर्ड ग्लोमेरुलर मीन्स बॉल ऑफ थ्रेड. सो इट इज अ नेटवर्क ऑफ कैपिलरीज. ये कैपिलरीज का एक जाल होता है. द ब्लड वेसल्स दैट कैरीज ब्लड इनसाइड द glomerulus is called efferent vessel and the blood vessel that carry blood out of the glomerulus is called efferent vessel. Glomerulus is enclosed in a cup-shaped structure called Bowman's capsule after the name of a English surgeon, Sir William Bowman, who discovered Bowman's capsule. The renal tubule is the part of nephron we start after Bowman's capsule. Bowman's capsule के बाद नेफ्रॉन का सेकेंड पोर्शन रेनल ट्यूब्यूल स्टार्ट होता है. इट्स फर्स्ट पोर्शन इज कॉल्ड द प्रॉक्सिमल कन्वोल्यूटेड ट्यूब्यूल. इट्स सो कॉल्ड प्रॉक्सिमल बिकॉज इट इज क्लोज टू द Bowman's. कन्वोल्यूटेड मीन बलदार नाली. नेक्स्ट पोर्शन टू द proximal convolute tubule is a U-shaped structure that is loop of Henle. The last portion of renal tubule is the distal convoluted tubule. इसका आखिरी जो हिस्सा है वो distal convoluted tubule है. The distal convoluted tubules of many nephrons open in a single collecting duct. Many collecting ducts join together to form several hundred papillary ducts which drain into renal pelvis. Student, this is all about the structure of the nephron. Jazakallahu khair.